I am Brother Justin Lopez from Church in Pagadian City.
Amen.
And I cannot remember when was the very first time that I consecrated myself to the Lord. But one thing I do remember, that this hymn is my favorite hymn during my college days. And I keep on singing this hymn, Fresh Consecration, Holy for Thee.
Amen.
I closely follow, time relief.
Amen.
Live your transcendent life, Lord, through me, that the treasure within we see.
Amen.
Just by singing this hymn, young people, just by singing this hymn,
Amen.
you never notice you already consecrated yourself to the Lord. You're already locked in. Amen. Just by saying this, that will preserve you.
Amen.
Until the Lord will accomplish something of His will to you.
Amen.
And yeah, the Lord causing me to enter to the full-time training is not really a smooth way. Very smooth. But yeah, the Lord really went through so many troubles. And I cannot share to you all those troubles because it might really take a very long time. But thank the Lord that I finished the training.
Amen.
As a seafarer, and I already go on board 2 vessels in my profession, 2 ships and 2 years. So I already experienced working. Yet that's why I always keep on hesitating, Lord. I don't want to enter the full-time training because once you lose 2 years, the crewing agency will have this kind of thinking that you might no longer be able to perform your duties and responsibilities as a seafarer when you lose 2 years of that time. That's why I keep on praying to the Lord, Lord, may you continue to arrange the environment. I just want to share this one thing about consecration. Brothers and sisters, consecration is not something that we are giving God a favor. Consecrating ourselves is not also a sacrifice. Consecrating ourselves is actually a privilege that we could render to the Lord. And just a consecration, it's like that this cup, this has no personality. But when we I take this cup here, and He does not move. When I place it here, He does not move. That's the proper consecration. That has no personality. Who is His personality? Me. Proper consecration is taking the Lord as our wiring personality.